In this video, I have a 2004 Buick LaSabre, and I'm going to show you how to open up the hood. Opening up the hood is very easy. You're going to open up the driver's side door. And as you lean down, right next to the emergency brake, you're going to see right here a lever. That lever has a vehicle with a hood open icon. And this lever, you're going to pull it, and you'll hear a click. This is a cable release to the hood latch. So we'll go over here, and you can now see that the hood has a gap right here, just above the front grille. And the emblem, you're going to reach your hand in. You see how I reach in with my thumb, and I lift up, and it will pull clockwise? Go ahead and do that, and lift up at the same time. You can see that there's a hood latch plate at the top. And whenever you lift this up, it moves and hinges that locking mechanism and opens it up. So you'll just push this up, and if your hydraulics work on the side, it'll stabilize it. There's no hood arm that you need to lift up. Hope that was helpful for you. Good luck on your project. Thanks for watching.